In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem Xbox Game Pass or a gift card on your PC. First step is you want to head over to Xbox down here. If you don't have this one, just go to the Microsoft Store in here and then just search for Xbox, and it's gonna be one of the first one that pops up. So let's just quickly go to Xbox, and in here there should be an Xbox right here, this one. And this is the one you want to install, and it's also free. Now after you've installed that, you want to open it and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you want to click on your account up here and open up settings. Go to account at the top and scroll down until you find redeem a code. Simply press redeem and it's going to open up a Google where you want to log into your Microsoft account, and in there you can type in your code. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.